Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to connect Army Bomb to Weverse. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Weverse application. You can see over here, Weverse application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. In the home interface at top, you'll be able to find all the communities you follow. Make sure to follow the BTS community as well. If you follow BTS, it will be displayed over here. So simply tap on the BTS option. Now you'll be led to the BTS community. You'll be able to find various options over here. So in order to connect the Army Bomb, what you have to do is tap on the three dots that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. You'll be able to find the options like bookmark, event entries, membership, etc. Find the option for sync light stick and tap on it. Now you can see over here BTS official light stick application will be opened. If you do not have this application, Play Store or App Store will be opened on your device. You'll be prompted to download the application. Simply download it. After that, it will be opened. Now you can see over here, you'll have to select the mode. You'll be able to find two options over here, concert mode, self mode. Simply tap on the option of your choice. Now you'll be able to find the Army Bomb versions over here, Army Bomb SE, Army Bomb version 3. Simply tap on the option of your choice. Now after doing that, you can see over here this application requires to turn on the Bluetooth, so simply tap on the allow option. Now Bluetooth has been turned on. Again, tap on the mode that you want to go to. Tap on the Army Bomb version. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to connect to the Army Bomb. Simply tap on the connect option that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to find the on-screen instructions over here. Simply follow through the instructions in order to connect the Army Bomb. So like this, you'll be able to connect the Army Bomb to Weverse. So that is how you connect Army Bomb to Weverse. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.